Today I share with you how I make this delicious Nigeria buns recipe. It was everything you need to try. To begin, guys, I'm going to be needing all-purpose flour. I make use of 4 cups. Don't forget to mention your flour. So next is for me to add in is sugar. Then after adding the sugar, next is to add in is salt and then mix together. I'm going to mix that until everything gets combined like this. So at this point, we don't need to add in the butter yet. So what I do now is to keep this aside. So on this other bowl, I'm going to be cracking 2 eggs on this bowl. Then after adding the 2 eggs, I'm going to be adding milk. So this is cold milk, guys. So what I do now is to mix everything together until they come out like this. See how beautiful that look. So at this point, what I do is to transfer this into the dry ingredient like this. So I pour that in and keep on mixing. So just going to use my hand to mix that until everything comes together. If you haven't shared this video, this is the right time to share this video. You are going to follow this process to make delicious buns for yourself. Like after eating these buns, you are not going to make buns in any other way. Now we are going to be adding a little bit of water. Next we adding is nutmeg and then keep on mixing. So I'm just going to keep on mixing until it comes together again like this. Now is the time for me to add in the butter. Over here we have already melted butter. I make use of 1 pack. All I do now is to transfer everything in and then use the butter to massage the flour very nice like this. So I'm just going to massage that for 1 minute before I'm going to get that fry. This makes these buns to have a lot of flavor and the center I have a lot of crunchy. It made these buns to look more crunchy and at the same time look more fluffy. So this is me after mixing that. You can see how this is drawing so nice. It was so massive. So at this point I'm done mixing. All I do now is to get that fry with hot oil. So this is how I'm going to cut that inside the oil like this. So you don't have to let this to red, just go straight and get this fry and enjoy. See how gorgeous that looks. So on this pan I'm going to be adding oil. So this is the oil I'm going to use to get that fry. Once it's hot, I'm going to cut in the butter inside the oil like this. Just so nice and simple. Have you shared, guys? Follow this process to make Nigeria buns. You are going to enjoy this more than any other buns around you. It was so delicious, so fluffy and mouth watering. So this is me after frying that. It turned to golden brown like this. So this color is good to go. I don't allow that to fry more than this. All I do now is to take my spoon to bring everything out from the oil. See how beautiful this look. It was so massive. So this is me after frying that. I just transfer that back inside this plate and then it's ready to enjoy. All you have to do is to follow this process to mix your butter. Once you mix your butter, you are going to achieve these delicious and mouth-watering buns. It was everything nice. It was so soft, so fluffy, and at the same time the flavor alone is everything. So sweetie, try this out. You are going to love it. Just enjoy this with any cold drink around you. You are going to appreciate yourself. See that now. Once you open inside, you just make boy. Oh my god, it was so perfect. I love you. Don't forget to share in my next one. Bye.